Hey guys, so wanna win sugar products worth rupees 2000? Well, then you have to watch this video till the end to know about it.
So today I will be creating a soft black smoky eye look. To start with my eye makeup, I'm just going to prep my skin first and apply concealer. Moving forward, using the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette, I will start with a light brown color and intensify it with a warm dark brown color. Now I'll apply kajal on my eyelids and smoothly smudge it. Next, I'll pat in some black eyeshadow to intensify the black color. Make sure to blend the edges to get rid of any harsh lines. Now moving to the base makeup, I'll be using the illuminating moisturizer for a shiny finish. Then I'll be using the Rage for Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 27 Vienna. Next, I will be blending the concealer under my eyes and applying loose powder to avoid any creasing. Then with the help of a contour stick in the shade 01 Fawn First, I will be adding structure to my face. Now I am adding some blush and highlighter to add color and glow to my face. Jumping back again to my eyes, I will be applying kajal on my lower lash line and smudging it for a smoky effect. Now going forward with the lips, I'll be slightly overlining them and filling them with a beautiful pink shade. And woohoo! I'm done! Look how simple it was to create a smoky eye look. Let us know in the comment section how you like the look now.
Well, that's it for today. So guys, here's the time for the surprise. All you have to do is keep showering us with all your love by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on our channel, and we will pick a lucky winner every single week as a fan, and you will be getting some exciting sugar products. So keep the comments and likes coming. Good luck!